Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove silence from an audio recording using Audacity. Sometimes we have long silences between sentences in our recordings. For example, here I have almost a 1-second silence between sentences. This kind of silence is all over the audio, and in many places it will be tedious to remove or truncate the silence manually. Audacity has an effect that works like a charm. I will duplicate the track and fit the track width on the screen to see how much it affects the length. I will truncate the top track and leave the bottom track as it is. First, select the track by double-clicking on it. Then go to the Effect menu and choose Truncate Silence. In the Truncate Silence window, you first have to set what will be counted as silence by Audacity. Any sound below this threshold level will be counted as silence. I will set it to 40 dB. Next, duration is important in detecting silence. The sound has to be continuously below the threshold level for at least the duration set here. I will set it to 0.7 seconds. So if Audacity finds anything under 40 dB for at least 0.7 seconds, that will be counted as silence. The last value you have to set is truncate to. When silences are detected, they will be trimmed to this amount. I will set it to 0.5 seconds, so the silence will become 0.5 seconds long. After setting these values, click OK. You can see the top track is now shortened as the silence has been truncated. If you compare the first occurrence of silence in the track, the truncated part is now smaller. I hope this effect will save you some time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.